everyone, welcome back to my channel today. In this video you are going to see how to trim the hedge plants. This is the round courtyard of my lawn. And this is the side hedge plants. So I'm going to trim it and simply with scissors. So there are two sides of the hedge plants. You can see there's a line, and through the line just cut the edges. Just slowly with the scissors keep trimming. And yes, before start trimming you need to sharpen it up, your scissors. Half of the hedge plants are trimmed. Now going along. You need to keep your eyes that according to line it's going. So there are actually two stages. So after first stage is done, you need to clean, and then you will find still some edges are left. So with the scissors again trim it. Now this is the left side or other side of the hedge plants. Same way I'm going to trim it. It doesn't take too long. Also, it is a good exercise for your hand. Now, when the both sides are done, you need to trim the top level. You need to measure it first. Either you can keep it 6 inches or 8 inches in height. When whole side trimmed, then clean it up, and you can see how beautiful it looks like when full work is completed. It gives you a charming view and makes your lawn beautiful. Thank you very much for watching the video. Take care and it's goodbye.